आज मौसम हो रहा है बहुत ज़्यादा रेनी और अश्विन loves अदरक की चाय and we are, by the way we are on a diet. We are trying to eat 1000 calories every day but because बारिश का मौसम है तो हम थोड़े से पकौड़े खा रहे हैं. हमारी हालत ऐसी हो चुकी है कि हम सब कुछ नाप के खा रहे हैं क्योंकि हेल्दी फाइव में सब मेजर करके डालना पड़ रहा है हमें. तो राइट नाउ आई एम मेकिंग टी, सम पकौड़े and also we are going to play our board game. That this is something which is हमने अभी start किया है to play board games. So we'll show you how. Also जब तक चाय उबल रही है I will show you one thing. Our meal planner. हमारी छोटी सी कोशिश to get our diets organized because आपको भी ये बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती होगी ना, आज खाने में क्या बनाना है, आज खाने में क्या बनाना है. कपल्स ऑफन फाइट विद ईच अदर कि क्या बनाना है. तो हमने सबका सोल्यूशन ढूंढ लिया है. वी हैव गॉट अ मील प्लानर जिसमें वी बोथ अग्री कि yes this is what we will eat.
One of us agrees, the other person has to listen. But okay.
One of us agrees. Yeah, Ashwin agrees and I have to accept. Okay. Okay. So we have tried making this and also साथ जो कभी खत्म हो जाता है तो we put here.
This is the only thing we have agreed on.
Stop focusing on cheat meal. So अगर कुछ खत्म हो जाता है, अगर कुछ खत्म हो जाता है तो we put it in the grocery list and as you can see the only thing Ashwin is very excited about is this cheat meal. But overall भी ऐसा कुछ problematic meal नहीं है हमारा. Loki is not a problem, Ashwin. Shoo. Oh, welcome, my darling. The adrak in the tea is like the soul and body. अभी घर एकदम टी टाइप का हो रहा है और अश्विन is wearing Naruto supremacy. Ashwin is very shy. Are you very shy?
I have no context of what is happening right now. All I know is that we are having tea and some pakode. I am sold on the tea and pakode. He is waiting.
He doesn't care about anything else. He's like tea and pakoda. I'm there. I'm game.
I don't believe in diet concept, so
yeah, tea ubal rahi.
I need to eat tasty foods. I love it.
So the tea is ready.
Yeah.
And now we are making
pakodas. लेकिन घर में बेसन खत्म हो गया था तो अश्विन सजेस्टेड कि हम हाफ बेसन और हाफ राइस फ्लावर यूज़ कर लें और मैंने भी उसकी बात मान ली क्योंकि मुझे लगा वो मास्टर शेफ़ है. बट आई थिंक wasn't a right choice. So we have somehow screwed up pakodas.
ये half भी नहीं है. It's 15% बेसन.
हाँ मतलब I mean
rest is
like it's 20-80 ratio or something. But let's see क्या बनेगा. अश्विन का कहना है कुछ ऐसा मुरुकू जैसा बन जाएगा. But let's see.
I think potato murukku will be interesting to see.
Yeah, we will keep you updated कि क्या हो गया इसके साथ.
Meanwhile, we have set up the whole place to sit. Nice little cozy corner in the garden. There is wind chimes. That sound when the wind will blow. Scrabble board, couple of cushions, and this table. Makeshift table for keeping the tea and snacks.
You did this?
Most of it. Because Radha also helped. Oh wow! Yummy! This is the pakode and this is the tea. We will have the tea soon. Look at that sound. Have a seat, madam. Have a seat. Come lose on Scrabble.
I am not losing any Scrabble. So guys, what Ashwin does is उसके पास जो स्क्रैबल में पीसेस होते हैं उनको रैंडमली स्क्रैबल फाइंडर पे डालता है, एक रैंडम वर्ड निकालता है जिसका उसको भी मीनिंग नहीं पता है एंड ही प्लेस इट.
ऐसा नहीं है. I remember a few words I put them in to just check, and then obviously it exists.
You did not know what DAX meant.
I did, and also it was not DAX, it was dark. DAK.
Whatever.
Also, just to clarify, this practice was started by this person. She was the one who did it for a very basic word called yoni, which I don't know what will happen to this word now on YouTube.
18 plus things.
It's a Hindi word that is being used in English.
No, but it is in the Scrabble dictionary. It is
Yeah.
recognized
So
as a-
exactly. So that's the reason I ended up having to prove that these words exist on Scrabble dictionary. Words like DAK, dark, and I don't know.
So, guys, content making is not easy because we have our other camera.
Which I can't show because it's in a very bad place right now.
It's not a bad place. It's setting up of balcony.
So here you go. On to some Scrabble now. We'll let you know who wins. Most likely me.
Saving that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. Even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside